Okay students, have a great day. If it is so, now we are going to give you the review of previous IELTS examination. IELTS examination 2024, 27th of April. Now we are going to talk about the listening paper. When it comes to listening paper, note completion, then single multiple choice questions, double multiple choice questions, matching questions came for the exam. And the other thing, very important thing, there wasn't any map question. And when it comes to speed, it was normal speed, but I'll tell you, every time just try to practice 1.25 speed. And I'll tell you something students, when it comes to our predictions, and we sent you the prediction via our YouTube channel also, I'm so happy to tell you that 90% of the predictions were quite correct for the examination, and many questions came just like our predictions. Okay, let's go for the reading papers. First, I would like to discuss and mention what are the questions in academic reading. You know, there are three types of question: task 1, task 2 and task 3. And when it comes to part 1, true false not given questions as well as summary completion question came for the examination. Then part 3, matching questions, and again true false not given question came. And finally, final part, list of heading question and multiple choice question came for the examination. The very important thing is there wasn't any which paragraph contains the following information type. When it comes to reading paper general training, part 1 question was true false not given as well as sentence completion. Part 2 was again sentence completion as well as multiple choice questions. Part 3, multiple choice questions, which paragraph contains the following information, that B type question. And summary completion question. You know, there are two types of summary questions, with answers and without answers, and this time our students had without answer. It is normally it is bit easy. I think they are so lucky therefore. And when it comes to the paper, there wasn't any matching heading or list of heading question. There wasn't any list of heading question. Therefore, most of our students mentioned that the paper was easy to moderate type paper, and academic students mentioned that their paper was moderate type paper. Okay, now students, we are going to talk about writing paper, academic writing as well as general writing. But beforehand, I have a special announcement for you. Announcement is, nowadays in our academy, we have started PTE classes as well as OET classes. There are so many courses with us. Therefore, if you need to join, or one of your friends or relations want to do PT classes or OET classes, now you can see the number on the screen. You can make a phone call or you can send a WhatsApp message. Okay, first, academic writing task number 1. Now we have mentioned the question here. Line chart came for the examination, and when it comes to task number 2, you can see the question on the screen now. It was a discuss both views and give your opinion type question. Students, keep in mind, when it comes to the format of the essay, normally there should be how many? There should be 5 paragraphs. First one, introduction, and 3 body paragraphs, and final one, conclusion part. Okay, when it comes to general training, task number 1 question, as we mentioned you in our predictions, our students had formal letter. Now you can see the question on the screen. And one thing, very important thing I want to explain you, it means in this question you can see there are 3 points. 1, 2, 3, there are 3 points. When you write the letter, keep in your mind you have to use 3 paragraphs to explain these 3 points separately. Okay, yeah. When it comes to task number 2, essay question, it was an agree disagree question. Now you can see the question on the screen. When it comes to the format, introduction, 3 body paragraph, and conclusion. And students, keep in mind there are 2 ways of writing agree disagree questions. First one, you have to be an extreme. It means extremely agree or extremely disagree. Likewise, second one, partially agree or partially disagree. But when it comes to my students also in my classes, I advise them to follow first one. It means extreme type, extremely agree or extremely disagree. The reason actually, that format is very easy. Therefore, you also can study mentioning your answers extremely agree or extremely disagree. Okay students, if it is so, they are the things we want to give you as our video today. Yeah, I think this video was very important for you. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel, as well as you can share our videos to the friends also. Students, have a great day.